In this video, you are going to learn about text functions. So let's understand what is text function. In Microsoft Excel, the text functions are a group of built-in functions designed to manipulate and format text strings within a cell. These functions are useful for tasks such as extracting specific part of a text, combining text from a different cells, converting text to a different cases, and more. They can help you to clean and organize textual data efficiently. So let's move on to the text functions. Upper function. Upper function converts the text string to the uppercase. It means it will capitalize all letters of the text string. This is the syntax for the upper function. Lower function. The lower function converts the text string to the lower case. So this is the syntax for the lower function. Proper function. Proper function is used to capitalize first letter of each word in a text string. So this is the syntax for the proper function. So let's see how to perform these functions in Microsoft Excel workbook. Let's start with upper function equals to upper, select text and enter. It will capitalize all letters of the text string. Let's see lower function equals to lower, select text, enter. It will convert the text into a small letters. Equals to proper, select text, enter. It will capitalize each first letter of the text. Left. The left function is used to extract the specific number of characters from the beginning of the text string. So here is the syntax for the left function. Right function. Right function is used to extract specified number of characters from the end of the text string. Here is the syntax for the right function. Mid function. Mid function is used to extract specified number of characters from the middle of the text string. Here is the syntax for the mid function. So let's see how to perform these functions in Excel workbook. Equals to left, select text, number of characters. It means how many number of characters you want. Suppose I want 3 characters and enter. It will show you 3 characters from the left side of the text string. Let's see right function equals to right, select text, number of characters. Suppose I want 2 number of characters and enter. It will show you 2 characters from the right side of the text string. Let's see mid function equals to mid, select text, comma, from where you want to start. Suppose I want to start from second character, comma, how many number of characters you want. Suppose 3 number of characters. It will show you the 3 number of characters from the middle of the text string. It will start from second character. Concatenate. Concatenate function is used to join 2 or more strings together from a different cells. Here is the syntax for the concatenate function. So let's see how to work with concatenate function in Excel workbook. Equals to concatenate, select text1, text2 and enter. It will combine both cells and show you in one cell. In this you will see there is no space between first name and last name. How to give space between them? Equals to concatenate, select text1, double inverted comma, give space and then double inverted comma close, select text2 and bracket close and enter. With the help of this, you can give space between first name and last name. The short form of concatenate is concat. You can use concat also to combine text. Equals to concat. Select text 1, comma, double inverted comma, space, double inverted comma, close, comma, select text 2. There is one more method to combine the text string. Equals to select text 1 and double inverted comma, space, double inverted comma, close, and select text 2. With the help of this also you can combine text. LEN function. LEN function is used to find the number of characters present in the text string. Here is the syntax for the LEN function. So let's see how to perform LEN function in Excel workbook. Equals to LEN, select text and enter. It will show you the number of characters present in the text string. Trim function. Trim function is used to remove extra spaces from the text string. Here is the syntax for the trim function. Let's see how to perform trim function in Excel workbook. Equals to trim, select text and enter. It will remove unwanted space from the text string. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.